If you're using a bubble venting design and the shell loaded into the barrel suddenly misfires, failing to launch successfully, what should you do? Well, first of all, congratulations on your good luck. You haven't been taken out on the spot yet. Next, I'll teach you how to safely remove the shell from the barrel. It's especially important to note here, at this time, do not move the barrel casually. First, you need to find something and from the outside, gently tap the bottom of the barrel. This is to confirm whether the shell inside is stuck in the middle of the barrel. In order to avoid the shell suddenly sliding down during the process of moving the barrel, the shell that is stuck inside suddenly slides down and hits the firing pin at the bottom. After that, you also need a teammate to cooperate with you to take out the misfired shell inside. During this process, you need to use both hands to form a circle, blocking the muzzle, but avoid the middle position. Don't block it completely. This can prevent the invisible firing pin on the top from hitting your finger and being triggered when the shell comes out. At this time, your teammate needs to slowly lift the bottom of the barrel until the shell inside slowly slides out of the muzzle and is caught by you. In addition to this common misfire situation, sometimes you may also encounter the situation where the fired shell falls to the ground. You may even encounter the special situation where the fired shell gets stuck directly in the muzzle. If you are unlucky and encounter these extreme situations, then whether you will survive